Welcome all. Our today's topic is subtraction of four-digit numbers. This is a topic from Unit 3. In the previous class, students, as we have done the subtraction of the three-digit numbers, in the similar way we will proceed for the four-digit numbers also. So coming onto the type 1, what do we have to we require is we will write the number, the bigger number at the top and the smaller number at the bottom. And always start subtracting from the rightmost side, that is from the ones place. Here in this example, 5683 is bigger than 4512. So starting from the right side, 3 minus 2. If we take away 2 from 3, we will get 1. So write 1 over here. This thing you can do it in your mind also, or you can write in this side also. Both are correct. Coming on to the second place now, on tens place. If we take away 1 from 8, it will be equal to 7. So write 7 over here. 6 minus 5. If we take away 5 from 6, it is equals to 1. So write 1. 5 minus 4 is 1. So write 1 over here. In the similar way, you can proceed with the questions of worksheet 1. It is a book exercise, so you have to do those questions in your book itself. Coming on to the second type. This is again another question. This is 7536 minus 2367. Again, proceeding from the right hand side, that is from the ones place. If we take out 6 from 7, 7 from 6, it is not possible. Why? Because 6 is smaller than 7. So this is not possible. So what do we have to do? We have to borrow one number from this 3. Right? So what we are going to do is, let me explain this separately. The number is 7536. Okay? And 2000 minus 2367. Right, students? First write down its places: ones, tens, hundred, thousands. Now see, because 6 is smaller than 7, so 6 minus 7 is not possible. So we will borrow 1 from here. So 2 will be left here, and 1 tens, when they will go to the ones place, it will become 16. So now it is easier for us to do. 16 minus 7 is equals to 9. So write 9 over here. Now again, 2 minus 6 is also not possible. Why? Because 2 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow 1 from here. So it will be left with 4 only, and it will become 12. So now 12 minus 6 is easier to do. So 12 minus 6 is 6. So write 6 over here, and 4 minus 3 is 4 minus 3 is 1. So write 1. 7 minus 2 is 5. 7 minus 2 is equals to 5. So write 5 over here. So the answer will be 5169. Third example is, students, let us also do it separately. Firstly, write down the greater number at the top and then the smaller number. And the greater number is 3105, and the smaller number is 1466. Now subtract it. Again, write down the place values also: ones, tens, hundred, thousands, right? So for doing this, sorry, I think now this is visible to you. 5 minus 6 is not possible. Why? Because 5 is smaller than 6. So we have to borrow from this tens place, but here it is 0. So what we are going to do, we'll go to the next one. So here it is 1, so we will borrow 1 from here, but what would be left here? Nothing, 0. So this will become 10 now. Now 10, because we have to borrow 1 from here, so it will become 9, and 1 will go to this place and it will become 15. Now 15 minus 6, students, that is equals to 9. So write 9. So write 9 over here. Then now 9 minus 6 is possible. If we take away 6 from 9, it is equal to 3. So write 3 over here. Now 0 minus 4 is also not possible. Why? Because 0 is smaller than 4. So what do we have to do? We have to borrow 1 from the next place, thousands place. So 2 is left here. It will become 10. Now 10 minus 4 is possible. It would be equal to 6. So write 6 over here. 2 minus 1 is 1. So the answer is 1639. That is 1639. So in the similar way, you can proceed with the questions of your worksheet 1 and worksheet 2. Thank you, students.